This bit we're in now is going to be our sensory garden, and then there's a large veg plot, 1/4 acre veg plot, and that's going to have a polytunnel in it as well, so that's our productive bit. And then around that we're going to have herbaceous borders and eventually mature shrubs and trees.
Yeah, we had the original thought to have a garden where people could come and enjoy if they were experiencing mental health difficulties. Would be just over 3 years ago now, and so from then it's sort of grown from one thing to the next, and then until here we are. It's been such a roller coaster of highs and lows, and there's been times when we really didn't think this was going to happen and it was all just a pipe dream, but the community have rallied behind us, and the Area of Outstanding Natural Beauty Partnership have been really, really supportive of us, haven't they?
Yeah, well, they've helped us source this plot of land, so hopefully we can make it something beautiful that the village will enjoy. That's our ultimate aim, is to improve the health of the village and the wider area.
Yeah.